Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the buzzer, the ringtone speaker, in your phone. Samsung Galaxy A23 5G. We start by making sure the phone is turned off. Never clean anything on a phone that is turned on. We need a brush with flexible bristles, about 2 centimeters long. The bristles should be soft or medium hard so they don't scratch the phone. In addition, we also need isopropyl alcohol, which will soften the dirt and allow us to clean it. And later it will evaporate, so there won't be any residue left behind. You can get all of this in a kit on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one or don't know where to get it, a regular toothbrush, soft or medium hard, will do just fine, and you can use it the same way. We start by simply wetting the toothbrush, so spray it thoroughly. If you don't have a diffuser, you can always pour a bit of alcohol into a small dish and dip the toothbrush in it. Here's the buzzer we have here. Oh, here are some holes, openings. And we clean it evenly, that is, first in one direction downward a few times. Then in the other direction a few times. And then upward. And downward. And now we repeat this action 5 times. So do this exactly 5 times in each direction to ensure that the movement is completed thoroughly. After the procedure, we set the phone aside for about 10 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate and to make sure there are no residues left in the phone. So after 10 to 15 minutes, we can turn the phone on normally and use it. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.